I have the Samsung Galaxy A55 and I'll be showing you how to use the built-in compass. So this phone comes with a built-in compass and that compass is available inside the edge panel. Okay, so to get to it, simply go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to display, tap on that, and then scroll down to edge panels, tap on that. First of all, make sure edge panels is enabled, because if it's disabled, then you'll not be able to use the edge panel. So make sure that is turned on. And then next, you want to go to panels. And these are the different panels we have. So currently we have apps enabled, and that's why when you swipe, you see apps. Okay. Now to add the compass, you'll have to come or scroll to the tools panel and make sure that is also enabled. Now once that is enabled, now when you scroll and open the edge panel, you'll also have the option for tools, and under tools, that's where you find your compass. So this is it. So you can tap on next and calibrate your compass. So just hold your phone in your hand and just keep on doing this. Let me just quickly lock the screen auto rotation. So in the edge panel, just do this to your phone. Okay, and now the compass has been calibrated, and as you can see, that's the compass. We have north, south, east, and west this side, right? And now you can launch this at any time, even from the home screen. Just bring up the edge panel. So you'll have two edge panels. You'll have this one for apps, and if you swipe again, you have this one with the tools showing your compass, right? Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.